Hi, if you want to use camera control button on the iPhone 16, then watch this video. So firstly, this button you can find on the right side of your phone near the side button right here. So now if you just click it once, it will launch the camera. If you just press it slightly, do not press it aggressively, you just need to press it slightly, you would be able to change the zoom. And if you switch to the selfie mode, you can also slightly press the button and you'll be able to switch from the zoom to the depth, exposure, or any other feature from the list. To see all features, you just need to swipe between them. Do not press, just slightly swipe the button like that. Now to take a photo, you will need to press this button once, and if you want to take a video, you just need to press and hold the button and the video will be launched immediately. Also, we can check its settings. So let's open settings. Here we need to select the camera tab. After that, go in the camera control, and here we can choose how we want to launch the camera. With the help of just single click, as I did right now, or with the help of double click. I'm perfectly fine with a single click, so I'm gonna leave this setting. And also, we can choose which app we wanna open with the help of this button. Camera, as I said right now, or we can switch to the code scanner, even magnifier, or just leave none. Let's select the code scanner for example, and now when we'll be pressing this button, the code scanner will be opened immediately. I'm gonna select the camera, and now let's test it again. So press it to launch the camera and press again to take a photo. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.